Hi, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee, and you are viewing The How To Lady, a channel that offers tips on organization, DIYs, and life hacks. So today we are going to offer a tip on how you can store your belts. When you need one, you definitely want to be able to locate it, right? And they can be a little arduous to store. So I think we got a pretty cool idea that you might like. If you're still interested, keep watching. And as always, if you find one little thing that you like, thumbs up, subscribe below. We're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Hi, my YouTube friends, and as promised in the introduction, we're going to give you a tip on how you can store your belts. Belts are a little difficult to store because of how long they are, and they're kind of awkward to me, they are. So it's really hard to decide how you're going to set them up in your actual closet. So today, remember in my video related to making the cell phone holder out of a box, and I mentioned that boxes were valuable, they're like gold. Well, yet again, we have another project with the belt where we're going to use a box. Now this is an old Prada box. It held cologne. I love these boxes because they are very sturdy. And so we just need our box, and then you need a belt. And here I have a belt. And the last thing you'll need is a elastic band. It could be one of those hair bands that you use to pull your hair in a ponytail, or you could actually use a rubber band. So I hope you can see that. So the choice is yours to decide which you want to use. And today I am going to use the rubber band. So the first thing you want to do is get your belt, and you want to roll your belt up with the buckle at the end. So, or it'll end up on the inside of the circle once you're done winding the belt. So I flip it up like that, and then I take the belt and I just sort of keep winding it and winding it and winding it until I get it all in one circle. And I know some people may think, oh man, what's going to happen when you're done winding that belt up and you need it again? It's going to have that bent circle look to it. Well, that's really easy. If that is what bothers you, all you have to do is take a steamer and just run down that leather, or if it's a cloth belt. But what I found is that when I put the belt on, it kind of, winds anyway, because your waist is like a circle. So what better way to store a belt than in a circular way? So I think this is probably great. So I've got my belt wound, so I'm going to put the rubber band just across it to keep it in that position. You don't have to have it tight, just put it in that position. It kind of holds it. Then I'm going to stick it in my box, and I've already wound several belts that I'm going to put in this box. And as you can see, the box has several belts in it, and it's holding them in place. This is an awesome hack. And then all you do is put the top on top of your box, and your belts are stored. Isn't that neat? And my theme, my color scheme in my closet includes the color black and silver. So this works perfectly. So when you're ready to take your belts out, all you do is lift the lid, look at what you need, put it on, and you're ready to go. I hope this has been a helpful hack for you today. If so, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.